Proto Gashat Mighty Action X. Okay, so you need 3 batteries, the LR44. Okay, Proto Mighty Action X Gashat. Just done putting the sticker Mighty Action X. Okay, so
Mighty Action X. Mighty Action X.
so on the trigger only have Mighty Action X sound. Okay, so how to unlock all the sound without the belt, the slot holder, or the DX weapon? To transform into the level 1 is like this. You have 2 buttons here, right? So just press the left one. Level 1 sound. Then you can press the right one after. It's level 2 sound. Or you can bypass the level 1 with press left and right. Okay, next is if you put this on the other slot, which means it's level 3 sound, you do it the opposite side with pressing the right one first, then the left. So it's level up, then it's waiting for the first Gashat to finish its transformation sound, then it will Mighty Jump, Mighty Kick, Mighty Action X. Next one is the Kimewaza, the finisher. Okay, is you press both of the button, then the trigger, then trigger again. Okay, since this promotional item, it don't have as many sound as the DX one. Like I said, when you press the trigger, it's only have Mighty Action X. No game clear sound or I think game over. I forgot, but the next one is if you put it on the DX weapon. You Press both. Kimewaza. Release and press. Okay. It sound damage sound. It should be mighty critical finish, I guess, but like I said, this have less sound. There is one more configuration for pressing them, right? Kimewaza. Press. Okay, it light up. That's it, no sound. I guess that's all the sound it have. Yeah, that's everything.